Hello, my name is Miss Kim and I work for the Fort Worth Public Library. I'm here with you today with my ukulele and I would love to share with you a song that I made that's just for you. Now, I'm not a professional ukulele player, but the thing that I love about libraries is that you can learn and explore and all the resources are there for you just for fun. So you don't have to be worried about how perfect you are. So come join me, it'll be fun. Some days in life are boring, it can really be a snore. Other days are just filled with naps. When you're feeling cabin fever, look around at what you have. Your Fort Worth Public Library, we can help. And you can check out books and magazines. Do-do, do-do, do-do. Online, check it out for free. Do-do, do-do, do-do. If you've got the blues, there's something you can do, and that's to watch and try our online programming. We know it's not the same, but it can stimulate your brain. Go online and check it out, and always know you have a community. Do-do, do-do, online or with curbside service. Do-do, 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 we look forward to serving you. Do-do, 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 do. Hey! Well, that was so much fun. I hope to see you soon again, either online or at curbside. But I love to see you, and this is Miss Kim signing off. Bye!